Ready to feel like you're living in the past? Because 2025 is already here, and the tech is insane. We've scoured the web to find 15 futuristic gadgets that aren't just concepts. You can actually get them. Stick around, because the gadget at number 9 literally changes how you see the world. We'll cover them all, and every product is linked right below. Let's jump into the future.
Number 15, the 70mm Dashcam 4K Omni 800. Standard dashcams have a critical flaw. They only look forward, but what about theft or collisions from the side? That's where the 70mm Omni 800 changes the game. This isn't just another 4K HDR camera. Its killer feature is a motorized 360-degree rotating lens. Thanks to its AI motion detection, if anyone suspicious approaches your car from any angle, the camera physically turns, locks onto them, and records. It's like having a personal robotic security guard on your dash. It even has optional 4G support, so you get real-time alerts sent straight to your phone if anything happens. This isn't just a dash cam, it's a total surveillance system for your car. For true peace of mind, check the link below.
Number 14, the luxury 3-jet windproof lighter. Let's be honest, those cheap plastic lighters are unreliable and feel awful. When you need a flame, you want power and style. This is a massive upgrade. It's a luxury butane lighter crafted from solid metal, so it has that heavy, premium feel in your hand. But the real power comes from its 3 simultaneous jet flames. This thing is seriously windproof. We're talking lighting a cigar on a windy golf course or on a boat, no problem. And for cigar enthusiasts, here's the best part. Check the bottom. It has a built-in stainless steel cigar punch. This isn't just a lighter, it's an all-in-one tool. It's the perfect piece of everyday carry gear. If you're tired of disposable junk, check the link below to get a lighter that actually lasts.
Number 13, the Auto Alignment Screen Protector for Nintendo Switch 2. All right, you're about to unbox that brand new Nintendo Switch 2. The last thing you want is to mess up installing the screen protector. We all know the anxiety, trying to line it up perfectly, trapping dust, and fighting those inevitable bubbles. This product solves that stress completely. It's a tempered glass screen protector that comes with an auto alignment tray. You don't have to guess or use shaky hands. You just clean the Switch 2 screen, snap this guide frame on top, and drop the glass in. It forces a perfect bubble-free alignment every single time. It's specifically made for the new display, so it's ultra clear and tough as nails. You get full protection from keys and scratches without losing any image quality. If you're investing in the Switch 2, don't risk a bad install. Protect it right from day one. Check the link below.
Number 12, the 9H tempered glass for Switch 2. Okay, that new 8-inch screen on the Switch 2 is gorgeous, but it's also a massive target. Every time you slide it into the dock or put it in a bag with your keys, you're risking a scratch. This is your non-negotiable insurance policy. It's a 9H hardness tempered glass protector. That means it's seriously tough, built to resist scratches from keys, coins, and everyday accidents. And again, the best part is the installation. It comes with an alignment kit. You snap the frame onto your console, drop the glass, and it lines up perfectly. Zero bubbles, zero frustration. It's anti-scratch, anti-dust, and keeps that new screen looking flawless. Don't risk your new console. Check the link below.
Number 11, the Joyroom Wearable Bluetooth 5.4 speaker. Earbuds are great, but when you're running or biking, they block out the world, which is pretty dangerous, and phone speakers just sound bad. This is the perfect alternative. It's the Joyroom Wearable Speaker. It uses a powerful clip or a built-in magnet so you can attach it to your shirt, your jacket, or your backpack strap. It uses the latest Bluetooth 5.4 for a super stable connection, creating a personal sound bubble. You get clean, open-ear audio so you can hear your music and the traffic around you. It's also waterproof, has a built-in ENC mic for clear calls, and even features a small light for extra visibility at night. This is a must-have for anyone active. If you want to take your sound on the go safely, check the link below.
Number 10, the Divoom Times Frame Smart HD Screen.
Your desk setup is where you spend hours. So why is your clock so boring? This is the Divoom Times Frame, and it's a massive upgrade. This isn't just a clock. It's a 10.1-inch smart HD screen for your life. You can use it to display thousands of pieces of pixel art from its online community, or even create your own DIY art. But it's also smart. It connects to your Wi-Fi to show you the weather, your calendar, and can even track live crypto prices and stock tickers. It's the ultimate desk accessory, perfect for gamers, streamers, or anyone who just loves tech. It's functional art for your workspace. If you want the coolest desk in the office, check the link below.
Number 9, the Deluxe Pocket Folding Wireless Mouse. Let's be real, laptop trackpads are slow, and carrying a regular mouse is a bulky nightmare. It just ruins the whole portable vibe. This is the solution. It's the Deluxe Pocket Folding Mouse. Its genius is right in the name. When you're done, it folds completely flat. We're talking ultra slim, so you can slide it into your pocket or laptop sleeve like it's not even there. When it's time to work, you just snap it open and it becomes a comfortable, functional mouse. It connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to basically anything, your Windows PC, your MacBook, or even your tablet. It's also a silent mouse, so you can click away in a quiet library or coffee shop without annoying anyone. This is the definition of smart, portable tech. Check the link below. Number 8, the Retro Typewriter Mechanical Keyboard. Let's face it, most keyboards are just boring slabs of plastic. If your desk setup needs some personality, this is how you get it. This is the GK99 Retro Typewriter Keyboard. It blends that classic, old-school vibe with totally modern tech. You get those awesome round keycaps and the clicky, satisfying feel of a real mechanical keyboard, which is amazing for both typing and gaming. But it's not old-school inside. It's fully wireless, connecting via Bluetooth to your laptop, tablet, or phone. And just look at it. It has full customizable RGB colorful backlighting that shines under and through the keys. This is a statement piece. It's for anyone who's tired of boring gear and wants a setup that actually looks cool. If you're ready to make typing fun again, check the link below.
Number 7, the 1080p Bike Rear View System. Ask any cyclist, the most dangerous part of riding in traffic is the head check. That moment you look over your shoulder, your blinder was in front of you. This gadget completely solves that. It's a dedicated digital rearview mirror for your bike. You mount the 1080p camera to your seat post and this crisp 4.3-inch monitor right to your handlebars. Instantly, you get a constant, stable, high-def view of everything behind you. No more head turning, no more guesswork. And thanks to its powerful night vision, it's just as effective for commuters riding home after dark. The massive 5,000 mAh battery ensures it won't die mid-ride. This is a total game changer for urban cycling safety. Check the link below.
Number 6, the ANENG TH201 Laser Temperature Gun. Ever wonder how hot your pizza oven actually is, or why one room in your house is freezing while another is boiling? Stop guessing. This is the ANENG non-contact thermometer. It's basically a point-and-shoot tool for temperature. You just aim the laser at any surface, your grill grate, your car's engine block, an AC vent, or even a frying pan, and it gives you an instant accurate temperature reading on the digital display. No touching, no waiting, no burns. This is one of those tools you don't realize you need until you have one. It's perfect for home DIY, cooking the perfect steak, auto mechanics, or finding those energy-wasting cold drafts in your walls. If you want to know the exact temp of anything instantly, check the link below.
Number 5, the automatic basketball return net. If you've ever practiced basketball alone, you know the most frustrating part. You spend more time chasing rebounds than actually shooting. This gadget completely fixes that. It's a portable basketball return system that attaches right under your hoop. Now, every shot you take, whether it's a swish or a miss, gets caught by the net and is funneled directly back to you. It's like having a perfect rebounding partner that never gets tired. This lets you get into a real shooting rhythm, practicing shot after shot without interruption and building that crucial muscle memory. It basically triples the number of shots you can take in the same amount of time. If you're serious about improving your game, check the link below. Number 4. The PlayVital Ergonomic Case for Switch 2. Let's be honest, the new Switch 2 is sleek, but flat handhelds cause major hand cramps after an hour. This is the PlayVital Protective Case, and it's a must-have day-one purchase. It's made from a non-slip TPU material that adds a ton of protection against drops and scratches. But its real magic is the ergonomic grips. It makes the console so much more comfortable to hold for long gaming sessions. And here's the killer feature. It is fully dockable. You don't have to peel the case off every time you want to play on your TV. That's a huge hassle saver. It even comes with matching thumb grips for your sticks. This thing fixes comfort and protection in one package. If you're getting a Switch 2, don't play without one. Check the link below.
Number 3. The Baseus Card-Size Magnetic Power Bank. We all get battery anxiety, but let's be real. Nobody wants to carry a thick, heavy power brick. This Baseus power bank is the solution. It's unbelievably slim. We're talking almost the size of a credit card. It's a 5,000 milliamp bank designed to disappear into your pocket or even a wallet. But its best feature is pure convenience. It's fully magnetic, so it just snaps on to the back of your new iPhone 17 for 15-watt wireless charging. No cables, no fuss. And if you're in a real hurry, it also has a 20-watt fast-charging wired port for a super quick top-up. This is the perfect just-in-case power you'll actually carry with you. If you hate bulky chargers, check the link below.
Number 2. The ROCKBROS Electric Suction Cup Bike Rack. Let's be real. Traditional car bike racks are a pain. They're either permanent, ugly roof bars that kill your gas mileage or clumsy trunk straps that can scratch your paint. This is a high-tech alternative. It's the ROCKBROS Electric Suction Cup Rack. Instead of manual pumping, you just place the cups on your roof or rear glass and hit a button. It uses an electric vacuum pump to create a massive amount of holding power. But how you trust it? That's the smartest part. It has built-in pressure sensors. If the pressure ever starts to drop, a safety alarm goes off, letting you know instantly. It's USB rechargeable, made of strong aluminum alloy, and fits virtually any car. This is the fastest, most secure, and most modern way to transport your bike. If you hate bulky racks, check the link below. Number 1 is the Baseus 100-watt retractable car charger. Let's be honest, your car's charging setup is probably a slow, tangled mess. This is the ultimate fix. It's the Baseus 100-watt charging hub. Its genius feature is the 2 built-in retractable cables. You get dual fast-charging Type-C lines. Just pull out the exact length you need, and when you're done, they zip right back in. Zero clutter. But the real power is in the name, 100 watts. This is a beast. It's powerful enough to fast charge your laptop like a MacBook, your tablet, and your phone all at the same time. It has 4 ports total, so it's the only hub you need for the entire car. It even rotates 360 degrees for perfect positioning. This is the ultimate charging station for road trips, commutes, or rideshare drivers. Stop fighting over slow chargers. Check the link below. So, which one are you upgrading to first? That's the future of tech for 2025, at least for now. If you found your next favorite gadget in this video, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more insane tech roundups. Remember, every single product is linked right down in the description. Don't get left behind. Check those links, and we'll catch you in the next one.